Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we are going to be talking about the review for Chapter 5. And in Chapter 5, we've been talking about addition. So, what is addition? Well, you guys already kind of know how to do this. If you haven't learned to do it in this chapter, we've talked about doing this before with composing numbers, which is basically taking two numbers, putting them together, and making a new number, composing a number. So, what did we learn? Well, a couple things. If you look at 1 and 2, there are some signs that we learn to use because, in addition, it's kind of like we're telling a story and we need to use symbols to tell how the story goes. So we have a plus sign, we have the equal sign. You see them here. So, which one's the plus sign? This is our plus sign. Good, good, good. Okay. And then our equal sign is right. You see the equal sign a lot with things because equal means the same as. So that's why we see the equal sign so much. And the equal sign is always telling us about what happened in the number story. So, and then number 3 down here, it says in all. Those are two sight words, in all. In all is basically counting all of the objects. So we have 2 ducks here plus 3 ducks swimming over here. So how many are there in all? You count all of the ducks, and then that is your answer. So those are some of the things that we learn in this chapter. And then what they want you to do is to simply practice using the number sentences like reading sentences except you use numbers, and using the number sentences to help make these stories. So there are 5 bugs crawling on the wall, and then 3 more bugs came. So 5 plus 3 equals how many in all? You got to count them all. Same thing down here with the buzzing bees. And then the butterflies, it looks like they have the answer, but they want to see if you can count what 2 numbers make 10, because that was our last lesson. So yeah, and then once you've done that, you can make up a story over here. There are 2 horses going around the merry-go-round, and then how many more do you want to draw? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 poles. So if you wanted to draw 4 more, you can, or you can draw 3, or I don't know. I don't know what your Ferris wheel looks like, but they want you to make up this story. So it says draw 4 more to show another group. So there's 2 more, and then you drew 4 more. So how many are there all together? See how that works? And then there's more of that here. You can count these cupcakes and then draw how many more to make 10. So from this, it's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I didn't draw them on there because I want you to do that, but that's how you would figure out how many more to make 10. You have 5, and then you count up from 5. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, I just kind of gave it away. But anyway, so that's how we work on these problems, okay? And then these you can do, look, it has 5 balloons here, 5 balloons here, and then they have more of these stories for you to practice. But that's really it. I'm not going to give you too many answers because you guys should already know this. We've been practicing it a lot, and if you haven't, make sure you go back to Mr. Schroeder and my videos to practice again if you need to, or go back in your book and make sure you got all your work done, because getting your work done kind of helps you practice doing the addition stuff. So, but until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, everyone.